Hey guys, in this quick tutorial, we'll walk you through how to rename checking account on Nav. If you don't have a Nav account yet, we've included our affiliate link in the description below, along with other helpful business tools and resources, so feel free to check those out. Once you've clicked on our affiliate link, you should see a screen that looks like this. Go ahead and click on the Login button to get started. Next, on the fields provided, enter your account email and password. Then click on Login. Once you're logged in, you will see several options at the left side of the screen. Click on the option for banking. On this page, you will see the list of your checking accounts. Click on the account you wish to rename. At the upper right corner of the screen, you will see an option that says Manage Account. Click on Manage Account. A drop-down list will then appear. Click on the option that says Rename Account. On the field provided, enter the custom name you wish to use. Once entered, click on Save. Lastly, you have to verify your identity to make the change. On the field provided, enter the 6-digit code sent to your phone number. Then click on Continue. That's how you rename your checking account on Nav. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.